Trevor Holmes here. My Robo 3D printer Y-axis is broken. So what I'm gonna do is replace it today, and I'm gonna fix this printer. Why don't you guys take a look at what's going on? So as you can see here, I have my bed plate removed. These Y-axis brackets started breaking, but right now I've ran into trouble. The replacement part that Robo 3D has sent me has the wrong polarity magnet to attach to my heated bed. If you guys look, this magnet just keeps repelling away. So I've read some forums online. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna drill out this hole on the other side. I'm gonna bust that little magnet out. I'm gonna flip it over, re-glue it back in, and put it all together. Then once I'm done with that, I notice I have a crack here on my carriage. So I found the part online. I think I'll be able to print that part even with this crack. I'll replace that before I start printing anything else. So stay with me and we'll go through the process of putting this printer back together. Okay, so I went and drilled out the hole down in the shop. Now I'm back. I popped the magnet out. Let me show what that looks like. So yeah, right here I popped that out. We have our magnet here. Now I just need to make sure it's flipped the right way. So we got this. That was the bad side. Now I'm just going to glue a new magnet in its place. Alright, and I used Gorilla Glue to glue the magnet back into place. Alright, first let's go ahead and clean this up. Now I'm putting the Y-carriage bracket back on the metal rods it glides with. Then I'm going to install the bed plate. After that, I'll tension the drive belt. When tensioning the drive belt, don't over-tighten this. This may cause the Y-carriage brackets to crack, which was probably my problem to begin with. So I'm just going to clean this bed up because it's filthy. It has too much glue all over it. This is kind of a process that I don't like to do, but as you can see, it needs it. So I use washable school glue, which I like. It doesn't cause a fire, and all you have to do is add water to it to get it up off your build plate. So I found this is the way to go. And now we have a clean bed and we're ready to print. See you next time. Please subscribe.